What's up, fellow photographers? If you've got a Nikon Z5 or Z5 II and you're looking to upgrade your lens game without dropping a fortune, this video is for you. I've rounded up the best affordable lenses of 2025 that are perfect for portraits, landscapes, travel, wildlife, and just straight up everyday photography. Let's get into it. First up is the Nikon Z 28-75mm f2.8, which is basically a workhorse zoom lens for Nikon Z shooters. The constant f/2.8 aperture across the zoom range means you can shoot in low light, indoors, or at golden hour without worrying about losing sharpness or depth. It's lightweight and compact, which makes it perfect for travel, street photography, and casual shoots. I tested it on a city walk and the image quality was insane, sharp, crisp, and with creamy bokeh in the background for portraits. Users love it for being versatile and affordable, a lens that can literally do everything from family photos to events without needing to switch lenses constantly. Next is the Nikon Z 17-28mm f2.8, a must-have for wide-angle lovers. If you're into landscapes, architecture, interiors, or vlogging, this lens will make your shots look massive and cinematic. The f2.8 constant aperture gives consistent exposure, and the edge-to-edge sharpness is excellent. I used it hiking and shooting city skylines, and every shot looked crisp, clean, and vibrant. The compact size also makes it easy to carry around for travel. Users rave about it being small but powerful, perfect for those who want wide views without breaking the bank. For those who like getting up close without moving an inch, the Nikon Z 70-180mm f2.8 is incredible. Think portraits, wildlife, and sports. This lens handles it all. The fast f2.8 aperture gives that beautiful background blur while keeping your subject super sharp. I tested it at a local sports event, and the autofocus was lightning fast, capturing every player in motion without blur. It's also surprisingly lightweight for a telephoto zoom, which makes it great for handheld shooting. Users love it for delivering pro-level results without spending a fortune on a traditional 70-200mm lens. If you're chasing wildlife, birds, or distant action, the Nikon Z 180-600mm f5.6-6.3 VR is your new best friend. The zoom range is insane, giving you the ability to capture subjects you can barely see with the naked eye. The built-in vibration reduction VR means you can hold it handheld without getting shaky shots, though a tripod is recommended for ultra telephoto shots. I took it on a weekend hike to a bird sanctuary, and the level of detail at 600mm blew my mind. Feathers, textures, and colors all crisp. Users love it for being a long-range lens that doesn't break the bank for full-frame, mirrorless shooters. Finally, the Nikon Z 24-200mm f4-6.3 VR, the ultimate travel lens. Covering everything from wide-angle to moderate telephoto, it's perfect if you only want one lens to carry for trips. Built-in VR helps reduce blur at longer focal lengths, and it's small enough to be super convenient for everyday use. I tested it on a city exploration trip and it handled street shots, architecture, and some casual portraits without missing a beat. Users love it for its all-in-one versatility, making it a great starter or travel lens for anyone with a Nikon Z5 or Z5 II. So there you have it, the best affordable lenses for the Nikon Z5 and Z5 II in 2025. From the all-rounder 28-75mm to the wide 17-28mm, the portrait-perfect 70-180mm, the ultra-tele 180-600mm, and the travel-friendly 24-200mm, there's something here for every shooting style. Drop a comment below which lens you're adding to your kit first, hit that like button if you're hyped, and check the description for links to grab these lenses today. Time to level up your Nikon Z photography game.